Every SDR thinks it's about making more calls, sending more emails, grinding harder. But what if I told you that that is exactly the reason that you're stuck? You think you're 1 month away from hitting quota, but you're actually one call away from losing your job. I've seen too many good SDRs get let go because they missed one simple but critical skill. If you don't fix this now, you're never going to progress. If your objection strategy is to wing it, you're already losing. You wouldn't walk into a sales call without researching the account, right? So why are you walking into objections without a strategy? That's why I built the Misfit Objection Handling Masterclass to arm SDRs like you with proven, punchy, pressure-tested responses. No fluff, no theory, just what to say and how to say it when things get really tough. If you want to be taken seriously as a future AE, it starts with mastering objections. So click the link, enroll, and train like your job depends on it, because in this market, it does. Here's the problem. Most SDRs believe the lie. Just make more calls, send more emails, and results will come. Let me tell you a quick story. I once coached an SDR named Tom. Tom hustled like crazy, 120 calls a day, triple the emails of his teammates. But after 6 months, he was still at 60% of quota. Why? Because Tom was stuck in the activity trap. He thought just grinding harder would somehow produce different results. Instead, he was burning himself out, completely blind to what actually mattered. The ability to get prospects talking and deeply understanding their problem. You can't afford to be Tom. This job market is ruthless. Companies are not patient. If you don't figure out the real reason prospects aren't responding, your job is literally on the line. Here's exactly what you need to do instead. Step 1, master the first 10 seconds. Don't be like most SDRs. Find your pattern interrupt opener. Hey, Sarah, it's Neil. Full transparency here. This is a cold call. Do you want to roll the dice with me for 30 seconds or hang up right now? Make it so it's impossible for them not to engage. Step 2, use permission-based questions. Top SDRs, they never pitch right away. They say things like, if I told you we helped a similar company cut their cost of X common pain point by 30% last quarter, would you be open to exploring that for 2 minutes? Permission-based questions shift power dynamics immediately. They position you as confident and valuable, not some desperate salesperson that's only there to get their pitch out. And step 3, inject curiosity with insight-based statements. Don't just ask, are you struggling with X? Instead, lead with insight. A lot of sales leaders I talk to are realizing that SDRs waste 30% of their time chasing dead-end leads because their list quality was awful. Curious, is that something you're experiencing too? Make prospects feel understood, curious, and eager to learn more from you. Let me give you an example. An SDR I trained named Natasha went from struggling at 70% of quota to booking 12 meetings a week just by implementing these exact steps. In 3 months, she got promoted to AE. So here's exactly what you need to do. Number 1, forget activity quotas. Focus on conversations instead. Must prioritize this. Real conversations will get you a lot closer to your goal than just $100 a day. Quality questions beat volume every time. Number 2, always use permission-based language. What do I mean by that? Stop forcing pitches. Give your prospect control and watch your results go up. Number 3, lead with insight, guys, not features. Prospects don't care about your product. They care about solving their problems. Bring value first, and then the selling bit becomes easy. Guys, these 3 changes will instantly improve your call effectiveness. You'll end up booking more meetings, and it will help you stand out. But here's the kicker. None of this works if your emails don't get opened. The truth is, your subject line is killing your pipeline before it even starts. If you want to learn exactly how to write cold email subject lines that prospects cannot ignore, check out my next video, How to Write Cold Email Subject Lines prospecting for business development and B2B sales. Click that video now and I'll see you over there.